Hi everybody, Clarita here with Absolute Best. My books have arrived. I am Imagination, Action, Memorization, The Way to Your Absolute Best. And I'm doing a book signing Thursday, first Thursday, June the 6th at 6 p.m. at the studio, Absolute Best. It's in the Personal Best building right on 6th Street between Grand and Gaffey. We're going to do a lot of the exercises that I take you through in this book. I teach you how to visualize your dreams, your hopes, your desires. That's the imagination part of it. Then I teach you goal setting. That's the action part of it. What are you going to do to get behind your dream and put some power behind it through discipline, and then finally through realizing and memorizing exactly what it feels like to be a winner, or even if you fall flat on your face, what it feels like to feel a little bit of pain. So you know how maybe you should go around that pothole the next time. You know, we learn from our failures. Those are okay too. Nobody ever promised me a rose garden, right? We have to take the punches when we have to take the punches, and then we have to live in gratitude and in appreciation when the living is good. And if we wake up every morning thinking, it's going to be a good day today, chances are it will be. Okay, I hope to see you at 6 p.m. June the 6th, first Thursday. Bring comfortable clothes so that you can do some stretching exercises. We'll be doing some breathing exercises. I'll show you some meditation and some yoga. And let's get going with those dreams of yours. Let's make them reality.